trying Burger King's new fried pickles. Let's go. We got, oh, definitely thought they were gonna be bigger. Okay, but they're like actual fries. I mean, they're good. Can't complicate a fried pickle too much, but they're good. I definitely was anticipating them to be more like mozzarella sticks kind of looking. But I'm okay with this. Actually, I might prefer them to be a little bit bigger. But I'm okay with this. I'm not gonna cap. It's giving me similar vibes to fried okra. I think it's because there's, here we go. Let's see if this tastes like fried okra. It's definitely a little bit more pickly in there. I'm not gonna lie. I like the small fry idea, but they're kind of getting all mushy in here. I think I would have liked like more uniform, a little bit bigger fries. But it's a cute idea. Maybe like offer different variety of type of pickle fries. But honestly, I kind of get it because they're supposed to resemble fries, right? So they're called pickle fries. Paid about like $5 for this. Is it worth it? I'm kind of torn. I like the idea in theory, but again, these are kind of like mushy. I was hoping for maybe a little bit more crunch. Granted, these are crunchy. And they do meet the aesthetics of being fries, so I think probably what they were aiming for is on point. But again, I think I would have loved a little bit more structured and bigger pickles rather than like smaller fried pickles. That's just me personally. Like, I'd be happy to pay for like 10 pieces that are big and are mostly pickle with a little bit of fry. Give the pickle fry a try and let me know what you think in the comments.